Are you in the automotive industry without a company demo? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get it. In order to get this demo, we gotta think about this two different ways. We gotta think about this from the business standpoint and then from our standpoint. So why would we want a demo in the first place? It could just be because we really like cars. And with that said, we're gonna be in a brand new car almost every single night. Sounds pretty cool, right? It could also be from the monetary side. If we're driving a company car, we're gonna put less wear and tear on our cars. We're gonna have less gas. We're gonna have less repair bills. And lastly, we're gonna drive almost brand new cars for no payments at all. So maybe we could drop a payment to get the company car. Monetary wise, this might be a good idea for us. I gotta get this circus act outside right now so that way the customers, yes, the customers, that way they know that we're open. I'm walking, I'm getting my steps in right now, you guys. I'm getting my steps in. I am trying to get to the very top of the hill so that way I can show you guys. The number one expense that a car dealership has is payroll. Without a doubt, that's number one. Payroll is the number one expense. The second biggest expense that a car dealership has is insurance. It's got to insure all these vehicles and all the people inside of it. So with that said, the dealership has to hold a certain liability for you to drive their cars. But you're the salesman, you're a sales lady. You're getting ready to go tell your boss that you want that demo. Here's how you do it. In these instances, you have to use what you got to your advantage. So with that said, the number one thing that you could tell your boss that you would do with your demo is market it, is show your family, show your friends, and then maybe you're like me, maybe you'll do a little extracurricular and you'll do videos on it. That is one major selling feature to your employer or to your boss of you driving these cars. Let me give you some more. Maybe you are not tech savvy, maybe you have no family, maybe you have no social media accounts, so that first avenue isn't gonna work. Here's the second one. The second one is this. Maybe you could drive the used cars home to check them to make sure that they're safe, to make sure that there's no problems with them. That's what a lot of our guys do. They find more problems on demo drives than they do actually sometimes inside the shop. That would be a massive selling feature because let's face it, dealers, they don't like paying for stuff after the fact, after the car's sold. So if the technician looked at them and then you as the salesperson looked at them, just a second set of eyes. Maybe try that if you're into the technical side. Regardless of how you sell this, you have to have a convincing story. I guess that's what I'm trying to say right now. So whether you're saying that you're gonna promote it on social media or you're gonna check them for safety or for issues, those are just two examples that you could use. However you're gonna do it, you need to have a story. Sometimes the hardest part about having a demo is actually picking the car that you're gonna drive home for the night. I've actually been struggling with that a lot lately. I used to pick the nicest possible thing, like an Escalade, that's what I would drive. But as of late, I've been driving home junkers, and that's really why I haven't showed you guys that much lately. Negotiating this demo at the very beginning, before you even get the job, is probably the easiest way to make sure that you get it locked down. But it's still possible if you're already employed at the dealership to make it happen. That's the way that I did it. I actually negotiated the demo thing prior to me even starting at this dealership. And the reason why I did that is just because I live so far away. I knew that I was gonna have a lot of extra cost if I was driving my own vehicle. So I negotiated in the front. Hopefully you can do it later if you're not already there yet. I forgot my extra camera battery. I'm gonna need that for tomorrow. That's it, you guys. I hope you saw value in this video. If you're new here, my name's Cody Reed. Every single week I'm giving you new car content. Occasionally I'm dropping some car salesman tips, some car salesman stuff. So if you're new here and you like it, just consider hitting that subscribe button. I'm gonna go ahead and link some videos behind this one for you guys to check out. So yeah, go check those out. See you guys soon. Bye.